SolidPlant 3D gives you access to all documentation related to your project, and all of them can be generated with just a click of a button. For the isometric drawings, we have embedded the industry standard engine called Isogen by Alias. You can check the line or lines that you want to make the drawing of and select a drawing style. When I click PCF and Drawing, the program not only generates the isometric drawing, but also produces a pipe components file that can be imported into any pipe stress analysis package. The end result is a detailed isometric drawing that contains all vital information on the line: sizes, elevation, components, etc. Also included on the drawing is a material list for fabrication, a material list for erection, and a cutting list. The Isometrics engine is part of the package and comes at no extra cost. Another available output document is the general arrangement drawing, which is also generated automatically. The process starts with the program detecting all views. After that, I'm given the options to choose a sheet size, set the scale, and select what information I'd like to see in the drawing. For example, bottom of pipe, center of pipe, dimensions, and line numbers. When the drawing is finished, I'll have a complete general arrangement drawing including all the selected information. All annotations can be moved in case of an overlap. No more manual input, which leads to fewer mistakes. The final document in this video is a project report or bill of materials. This document lists all information regarding piping and equipment in your project. Tags, description, sizes, spec, quantities, it's all there. The BOM can be exported to Microsoft Excel to be made available to all relevant departments. Automatically generated document.